Alright, here's the script. Intro music, RoamTips.com jingle. Host *. Hey everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. I'm your host, and today we're diving into a super quick and useful iPhone trick, how to turn on caller ID. Short, engaging visual, maybe a screen recording of the iPhone settings app opening. Host *. Ever get calls from numbers you don't recognize and wonder who's calling? Caller ID helps you identify those incoming calls, so you know exactly who's trying to reach you. It's a great way to avoid spam calls and pick up the ones that actually matter. Visual, clear screen recording showing the steps we're about to describe. Use zooms and highlights to guide the viewer. Host * in this video, I'm going to show you a super simple step-by-step guide on how to turn on and even off caller ID on your iPhone. It's really straightforward, so let's get right to it. Transition to screen recording. Host * OK, first things first, grab your iPhone and head over to the settings app. You know, the one with the gear icon. Pause slightly, allow viewer to find the settings app. Host * once you're in settings, scroll down a bit until you see phone. Tap on that. Slight pause. Host * now in the phone settings, look for Show My Caller ID. Tap on that too. Highlight the Show My Caller ID option on the screen. Host * and here's the magic. You'll see a toggle switch. If it's green, that means caller ID is already on, and your number will be displayed when you call someone. Show the toggle switch being turned on green and off gray. Host * if the switch is gray, simply tap it to turn it on. Make sure it's green. Now when you make a call, the person you are calling will see your phone number.
***, pause for emphasis. ***.
Host * if you ever want to turn caller ID off, just toggle that switch back to the gray position. Keep in mind that some carriers might not allow you to disable caller ID, but for most users, this switch will control whether or not your number is displayed. Transition back to host facing the camera. Host * and that's it.
Super easy, right?
You've now got control over your caller ID. This can really help you screen calls effectively.
***, pause. ***.
Host * so, if you found this quick tip helpful, give this video a thumbs up. And if you want more iPhone tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to RoamTips.com.
We've got new video coming out all the time.
Visual, end screen with subscribe button and links to other relevant videos.
***.
Host * thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
***, outro musique, romtip.com jingle fade out. ***.